Plant FAQs. Blackjack Bermuda grass. Blackjack Bermuda grass has become one of my go-to choices when it comes to a lush, resilient lawn. Over time, I've encountered several common questions from others who are interested in growing this type of grass. In this article, I'll address these FAQs, drawing on my personal experience to give you a thorough understanding of Blackjack Bermuda grass and how to best care for it. What is Blackjack Bermuda grass? Blackjack Bermuda grass is a warm-season tough grass known for its dark green color, fine texture, and durability. This grass type thrives in full sun and is commonly used in residential lawns, golf courses, and sports fields. One of the standout features of Blackjack Bermuda grass is its ability to withstand heavy foot traffic while maintaining its attractive appearance. How to care for Blackjack Bermuda grass. Caring for Blackjack Bermuda grass is relatively straightforward, but it does require some specific steps to ensure it remains healthy and vibrant. Mowing. I find that mowing regularly is crucial for maintaining the appearance and health of Blackjack Bermuda grass. Keep the grass at a height of about 1 to 1.5 inches. Mowing too low can stress the grass, while allowing it to grow too tall can lead to thatch buildup and uneven growth. I typically mow once a week during the growing season and adjust the frequency based on the grass's growth rate. Watering. Watering Blackjack Bermuda grass properly is key to its success. I usually water my lawn deeply and infrequently, aiming for about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Early morning is the best time to water, as it allows the grass to absorb moisture before the heat of the day sets in. Avoid watering in the evening, as this can promote disease. Fertilizing. To keep Blackjack Bermuda grass lush and green, I fertilize it regularly during the growing season. I typically use a nitrogen-rich fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks. This helps promote vigorous growth and maintains the deep green color. Be cautious not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to excessive growth and thatch problems. Weed control. Weeds can be a challenge, but with proper care, they can be managed. I use a pre-emergent herbicide in early spring to prevent weed seeds from germinating. If weeds do appear, I spot treat them with a post-emergent herbicide. Regular mowing and proper fertilization also help to keep weeds at bay by encouraging dense turf growth. How to propagate Blackjack Bermuda grass. Propagating Blackjack Bermuda grass can be done through seeds, sod, or sprigs. Here's how I approach each method. Seeding. Seeding is the most cost-effective method. I prepare the soil by tilling and removing debris. Then, I spread the seeds evenly over the area and lightly rake them into the soil. Keeping the soil consistently moist is crucial until the grass establishes. Sodding. For an instant lawn, I prefer sodding. I lay the sod pieces tightly together, ensuring there are no gaps. Watering is essential during the first few weeks to help the sod establish strong roots. Sprigging. Sprigging involves planting pieces of Bermuda grass in rows. This method is more time-consuming but effective if you have a large area to cover. I space the sprigs about 6 to 12 inches apart and water them regularly until they root and spread. What to plant with Blackjack Bermuda grass. Pairing Blackjack Bermuda grass with other plants can enhance the aesthetics of your landscape. I like to choose plants that can thrive in similar conditions, full sun and well-drained soil. Flowering perennials. Perennials like daylilies, black-eyed Susans, and coneflowers complement the lush green of Blackjack Bermuda grass beautifully. These plants thrive in the same sunny conditions and add vibrant pops of color to the landscape. Shrubs. Shrubs like boxwood, juniper, and dwarf hollies work well alongside Blackjack Bermuda grass. These shrubs are low maintenance and can be shaped to add structure to your garden design. Ornamental grasses. Ornamental grasses like fountain grass or maiden grass add texture and height to your landscape. They blend seamlessly with Blackjack Bermuda grass, creating a natural, layered look. How to prevent common problems with Blackjack Bermuda grass. Even with the best care, problems can arise. Here's how I tackle some common issues. Thatch buildup. Thatch is a layer of dead grass and roots that can accumulate on the surface. To prevent this, I dead hatch my lawn every couple of years, usually in early spring. Aerating the soil also helps by allowing water and nutrients to penetrate the grass roots more effectively. Pests. Grubs and armyworms can cause significant damage to Blackjack Bermuda grass. I keep an eye out for signs of infestation, like brown patches or birds pecking at the lawn. If I notice these signs, I apply an appropriate pesticide to control the pests. Diseases. Fungal diseases can be an issue, especially in hot, humid conditions. To prevent disease, I avoid overwatering and ensure good air circulation by mowing at the recommended height. If a disease does appear, I treat it with a fungicide and adjust my watering schedule to help the lawn recover. Conclusion. Blackjack Bermuda grass is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable, attractive lawn. With proper care, it can thrive in a variety of conditions and provide a lush, green landscape. By following these tips and addressing common issues proactively, you can enjoy a beautiful Blackjack Bermuda grass lawn year-round. Whether you're planting, propagating, or maintaining, I hope my experiences help guide you in achieving the lawn you desire.